How to schedule products in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically what we want to do is, we want to publish a specific product, but in a specific date. So we can, just make it that it does it automatically for us. So in order to do so, we can make it on any active product that we have already, or we can just click on add product and do it from there. So I'm just going to add a test product, a new one, and I'm just going to add some dummy media here, for example this one right here, and I'm just going to give it a price, and you know the rest. So I'm just going to add some quantity here as well. Anyway, so once we are in this step now, what we want to do is go to the publishing section. Make sure the status is active. It needs to be active, and we want to click on the publishing tab here. Now next to online store, we should be able to find schedule publishing. This is the one that we want to click on, and this is going to open up a calendar view for us. So obviously you just want to go and pick the date where you want this product to be published, and you also want to set up the time for it. So you can just feel free to select any or just type it out manually. And once you're happy with it, I'm just going to leave it as it is. It's not really it's just dummy anyway. And once you're happy with this, it says here, if you hover over it, the publish date is going to be June 5th, and it's going to be at 4 a.m. Click on done and save. And now basically you have the product ready to go. It's only going to publish at that specific date. And again, you can feel free to do this to any other active product that you have. For example, this one, again, just click on the publishing tab. Go to online store, next to it schedule publishing, and select the publishing date for it. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.